So today, let's talk about how to upload a book to BookFunnel. So I've come to the book tab right here, and there is a convenient little button that says Add New Book. So let's click that fabulous little thing. Now you don't have to put a book label on. This is only what you want to call your book on the dashboard. If you leave it blank, it automatically goes to the book title, which is awesome. So this book is going to be called Becoming Prudent. My author name is right here. It's automatically populated. The series. And this is volume 1. If it's on Amazon, you can put in an Amazon ASIN. This is basically links it to it so that people can find it. I will do that later because right now I don't have Amazon open. So if I had a tagline, I would throw it in here. I don't at the moment. And I should, let's open up blurbs so that I can find my little blurbs at the back. I should have done that already. But while that is opening, let's start adding our files. So we just click this fabulous blue area and should come up right here. So now we're going to go and find our Caliber library in JBindma. It's right here, Caliber library. Nope. Becoming Prudent. There they all are. So let's start by putting up the EPUB file. It helps if you're a little bit more organized than me. It already says, oh, it's uploaded successfully. So we'll click it again. I upload an EPUB. I upload a MOBI. I upload a PDF file. And I will also upload the cover, which is a JPEG file. So we're just going to do all that. Sometimes you can double click, sometimes you just click open. Either way it works. And then we have our actual cover, which is right here. So now he has all the appropriate files. I just want to open up, we're going to open up the back page. And we will literally, I'm going to make that black again. Take this, Control Copy, over here, Control V, to paste our fabulous back page matter right there. Now my book is completely ready to go except for my Amazon ASIN, and I will add that later. So we're going to hit Save Book, and then we can save and close. And you can see she's right there. They're compiling our files so that they can be downloaded by readers. We have our fabulous cover ready to go. All of our information is here. You can read your back matter. It's all right there. And then you can choose how you want to share it. So if you want to send a link to your readers, you can. If you want to send review copies to your art team, you can. If you want to join group promos and find new readers, or deliver ebook sales, or distribute printed materials to download codes printed on them. I'm actually going to start a promotion with this because I don't see any Christian novels going on right now, and this is my only Christian novel. The other ones are clean, they're not specifically Christian, but this one is specifically Christian. I don't see any Christian promotions going on right now, so I might put one up for the summer, and then I will show you in a new video how to create your very own promotion. Anyhow, if you found this video useful and informative, please like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know if you're looking for any specific tips on becoming an author or running your author business. Thank you very much for watching, and we will see you later.